The worst problem you can face while learning a language is to improve its vocabulary. Any kind of language you want to learn, vocabulary is the difficult part you have to overcome, but it is also the most interesting part while you learn. So in this video we are going to talk about English vocabulary, how we can improve our English vocabulary, how we can find good words to practice, and what is the exact way we can practice to learn the word, to memorize the word with its context. I want to tell you something. The thumb rule of improving vocabulary is to use the word daily and deliberately. You have to find a way, you have to find an opportunity, an excuse to use the word you have learned. So you have to use it whenever the context demands. I have seen a lot of people are doing. Even I used to do that whenever I find a helpful word, I used to write it down and then I used to forget it. I don't even remember in which notebook I have written that down. And that is the exact thing you don't have to do. First, learn the meaning of that word. Let's be very clear or be very familiar with the context of that word, and then make 5 sentences at least using that word. And the sentences must be different with each other. Like 2 sentences must be in a different tense. You should make different sentences with same word. I get it. This sounds little confusing. Let me give you an example. Let's say you learned a word predictable or predict. It means to guess. Make sentences like this. Like, can you predict when will be the exam? I can predict what he is going to do. Oh my god, nobody can predict what the future holds. I have made an interrogative sentence. I made an exclamatory sentence. I made an affirmative sentence. I have made different sentences with the same word. I hope you get the point. And the second thing is, vocabulary is not something to memorize. Vocabulary is something you have to be familiar with the context. So when you are learning a word, make sure you know the context of the word. Let's say beauty. Beauty is a noun, but the verb of beauty, beautify. You can say, please beautify my car. You want the car to be beautiful. Or you can say, my car is beautiful. Here the beautiful word is an adjective. And what a beauty. Here beauty word is a noun. So you have to learn the context of a word while you are learning or improving your vocabulary. I don't want to make you confused. So in a sentence, in short, I want to tell you, learn 3 to 4 words per day and try to use it as soon as possible in your conversations. And in that 3 to 4 words, you can even generate more words. If you change that words in verb and noun and adjective, these 4 words can be 8 words. And you can make 8 into 5, 40 words per day. It means 40 sentences per day. And it can make 5 to 10 minutes. It's the minimum practice time per day. After finding 4 words, use it in different context, use it in different sentences to get familiar with the context of the word. That's all I want to say. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.